guys, so here's the video that everyone's been waiting for, asking me to make, and finally here it is, Kathy's bread recipe. This is the simplest bread that you can really make. All you need is a cast iron pot, some bread flour, salt, sugar, oil, and dry yeast. That's it. So the bread is really healthy because you know what you put in it. There's no chemicals, only the couple ingredients. Let me show you how to make it. It's really not a big deal, but everyone will love it and enjoy this delicious, crispy, homemade bread. Come on, let me show you how it's done. So I get King Arthur bread flour at Target because they offer the best price. Of course, most of the grocery stores carry it too. 1 packet of dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 2 cups of hot water. So I use the KitchenAid with this attachment to make my bread, but if you don't have it, don't worry about it. Many of my friends tried this recipe and did it by hand. Comes out just as great. So just throw in all the ingredients together. And now combine all the ingredients together. So it takes only a couple minutes for the dough to come together. And next you're gonna cover it up with the plastic foil and place it in the refrigerator, best for overnight. That will help to increase the flavor of your bread, and also the crust will be nicer, darker when it's baked. Alright guys, so this is how it looks after overnight in the fridge. So first thing I do is sprinkle it with flour and mix it up one more time. So just after a minute or two, I take it out, sprinkle a little bit with flour again, and cover with a clean towel. Put it in a warm place in your kitchen so it really has a chance to warm up and grow. And this is how the dough looks after a couple hours. So you need to transfer your dough to a hot pot, so make sure you first warm it up in a 400-degree oven. To make sure that the bread doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot, you sprinkle it with flour. Sprinkle also your dough so it's easier for you to transfer it. And when you transfer, just be careful not to burn yourself. And make a few slits across with a sharp knife. Now it's time to put the bread in the oven. We bake it at 400 degrees. Covered for 35 minutes. After that, we open it up and bake it for additional 25. Okay, so 25 minutes had passed. We open up the cover and we put the bread back in for additional 25 uncovered. Alright guys, it's ready. Look how beautiful. And the house just smells amazing. I encourage everyone to try to make this because let me tell you, there's nothing more satisfying than baking bread for your family and friends. Everybody just loves it. Of course, nobody can wait until it cools off. Everybody likes to eat the hot bread. And just listen to that sound. The most amazing sound of the crispy fresh bread. Of course, it's much easier to cut when it's cold, but nobody wants to wait. The best, it's warm with butter. So how is it, girls?
Good. Tasty. I like how it's very crispy. Very crispy on the outside. That's delicious. I like the taste.
Nothing makes me more happy. That's why I make it a couple times a week for my children. I know it's healthy, no chemicals, and they can eat as much as they want. Okay, how easy was that to make? Come on, don't waste any more time. Just go ahead and make the bread. Send me the pictures, comment down below, like this video, and share with your friends, okay? Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye, have a good day.